Hi there. This is Bridget from the PlannerSpeechie. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be planning for I think it's the third week of June, the 21st through the 27th, in my life planner using the Charlotte's Paper Company Hello Summer Kit. Thank you so much for joining in. I'm just going to go through the kit briefly and then we'll get right to planning. So this is the Hello Summer Kit. I actually purchased this a year ago and held on to it because I wanted to save it for the first week of summer. Yesterday was the winter solstice. I am filming this on Tuesday the 22nd, so I am a day behind, but that's okay. So I just love this artwork. I don't know who the artist is. If I find out before I upload the video, I will post it here, but I just think the artwork is very delicate. It's reminiscent of Rifle Paper Company, I think. This is very difficult to see, but this is just a mint green set of icons here. And then over here we have the glitter headers and all the functional stickers. And then I actually went ahead and got this gold foil overlay. It doesn't necessarily go with the kit, but I thought, it's summery, it's pretty. I really like these citrus slices up here, presumably lemon. And yeah, I already went ahead and put the numbers on this kit. I actually had considered using this on a different day, so I had to remove some stickers, and that's why you see this little thing there. But here we go. This washi is a little different. I'm not sure how the overlay is going to look on top of this. Might be a little too busy to really notice it, but we'll see what ends up happening. So there we go. Just to go ahead and look at last week, you can see it's a little blank. I didn't really do as much with this, although I do love this artwork, but I am excited to move forward and kind of embrace the week. So I'm going to speed things up and come back in voiceover. All right, so here we go. I'm just first pulling in this washi, and I was right. The overlay doesn't really show up all that well because of the contrast of the washi, but it still gives it a little bit of a glint. So I think it came out nicely. That candle I'm burning is a French baguette candle, which I don't have any summer scented candles in my house, and I would love to get some, but I'm trying to conserve my finances, and summer smelling candles is not a priority on my list. But so I was trying to decide if I should put the slices over the overlay, the glitter overlay, and I realized they would get swallowed up. So instead of putting the glitter overlays on top, I whited out the little dashed line and put the gold slices just right on the top there, and I think it came out rather well. It was a little harder to put them down because I had I had whited out the marker, but that's okay. I think they came out fine in the long run. Here's my coffee. So next up I put down the date covers. I covered up that summer begins on the 21st. That's the summer solstice. And I ended up putting a full box that says Hello Summer, sort of to mark that that's the actual summer. This week I decided to cover up the calendar in its entirety because I wanted to have space to track things for the week. So really, there's my French baguette candle that I'm showing off. It really does smell like baked bread, which is great, but also kind of horrible when you're dieting like I am, because then the house smells like bread that you can't eat. I put the ice cubes on the bottom of that, which I think looked well. I was trying to look back to see how I arranged the full boxes because it's been a while since I did like a normal spread. but I opted to sort of do my own thing. I tried to use as many of the glitter headers as I could, and I just used this gold frame over the top of the Hello Summer. With these one-sheet overlays, you only get 3 full box overlays, so I was trying to be conservative about where I put them. These kits also come with 1 weekly tracker, and then I opted to use some of the glitter headers just to separate those things. So I put in a cleaning tracker for the week, and I was filming this on the 22nd, so everything that I'm putting down for the 21st kind of already happened, so it's sort of cheating a little bit because I didn't pre-plan it, but that's okay. So then I decided to put down another header, and then that header marks workouts. So as I mentioned before, and I'm sorry that this bottom part gets cut off. The last thing I put down was dinners. So I was trying to track my dinners there, as well as individually writing them out. I wanted to see if I could pre-plan some of that stuff, but I end up never doing that, to be honest. So my priority this week is cleaning, doing some deep cleans of different areas of the house. And I managed to do the kitchen yesterday, and I'm sorry, I'm doing this voiceover on the morning of the 23rd. So I did manage to clean the kitchen, I did do the vacuum, so I'm actually on track. I'm alternating arms and legs and doing cardio 6 days a week, so that should really improve my mobility and health. So I'll be really honest, I was hesitant to plan anything in this week at all because I am in this weird hiatus where I'm waiting for my licensure for my SLP stuff to go through, and I have about 5 weeks before my vacation starts, and I've been trying to look for like local jobs that I can do remote from home, but a lot of them they either require qualifications that I don't have or are just kind of it's difficult. So anyway, I'm just marking now that I did my arms and cardio on Monday, and I did do a Harris Teeter shopping for when we got back. And then what's not marked in there is Frank and I did some driving practice, and then we had a nice talk afterwards, which I wanted to mark as like very healthy. I'm just looking for something to fill that space up at the top, and I chose a Once More with Love sticker, Cuddle Time with Vinny. Vinny has been taking medicine on his chin. He's got a lot of like breakouts and things, so just been monitoring that and giving him medicine. But anyway, yeah, this whole thing with finding a job has been kind of crazy because ironically I have a job, but it doesn't start for a couple weeks, and I'm in this weird in-between period where I'm trying to figure out what I should do with this time. And so I'm focused on sort of refreshing my coursework. I'm trying to do as much, forward planning as I can, but it's really difficult without knowing how many students I'll have, what ages I'm working with specifically, and I don't have finances to just go on Teachers Pay Teachers and buy a bunch of materials. So I'm trying to probably and just see what they have for me there already. So I'm just edging into the summer, but trying to fill my days with cleaning and exercise and reading and fulfilling activities. So I'm just marking down that I'm going to clean the kitchen, do some training on the thing where I have to write everybody's notes, editing and filming this plan with me, and then also marking in my legs and cardio. I moved that cleaning sticker up to the corner. I was supposed to Zoom with my friend yesterday, but she wasn't feeling well, so that ended up getting canceled. And then last night we had lobster ravioli from Trader Joe's, and we watched Breaking Bad. And then after that, we went driving. I did practice driving yesterday, so I'm on a good streak, and I'm feeling pretty good about that. Okay, so for Wednesday, I put the full box at the bottom, and I decided this week I'm going to see the immersive Van Gogh exhibit with my husband on the weekend. I bought tickets in March for this, so yeah, I'm trying to do some Van Gogh stuff every day. So, like, for example, yesterday I watched a documentary about his life, and I decided to fill the empty space in the full boxes with quotes from his life, which I'll put in later. But tonight I'm going to Zoom with my friend, and then this afternoon I also have to do some fingerprinting, I-9 verification stuff for my job. So today I just have to make sure I have all that materials ready for that appointment. I want to organize the bedroom closet and organize my clothes. And then I'm also doing this SLP toolkit training. It's like a summer school that they put out for SLP subscribers. And although I did cancel my subscription for the summer, I have a couple weeks left, so I'm just trying to utilize that time. Okay, so now on to the second half of the week. I like to put in the full boxes for the weekend first. I don't know why, it's just easier for me. That says summertime, sunshine is the best medicine is what that says in that cool box, which can be true. I alternated and put down that weekend banner, which I think looks really good. I've learned the hard way, put the headers in before you put the weekend banner in, because if you don't, it looks funny. So then I'm just putting in the remaining full boxes. I have more headers to put in. So this is me just really laying down the base to prep for the space to work. And so one of the things that's interesting about planning without having things to plan, like concrete things to plan, is you suddenly realize how much space you have in your day. And oh, that's crooked. I never fix that. Oops. But you should always have, I think, 3 priority goals to get through your day. If you did these 3 things today, would your day feel complete? Sometimes I don't have 3, but I try to kind of work with what I've got. So let's see. Oh, and now I'm just putting in the dinners. I track dinners because they are the highest calorie count of anything I'm going to eat all day. Oh, and I just put that lemonade kind of sticker over the dress. There wasn't really a better place to put it. So, but it gives it a little glitz and glamour, which I like. All right, so using that laundry sticker from Pumpkin Paper Co. That was my last one. I liked it, but it's just so big, and I'm probably not going to buy those again because they take up too much space for me. Although I will say laundry takes up time and space. It does. I put in something that says "It's a date" from Once More with Love and 2 people hugging, and I'm writing immersive Van Gogh there. Sorry, that's cut off. I got these hugging Once More with Love stickers a while back, and I just thought they were cute. we are going to go eat somewhere. I'm just not sure where. This is also from Once More with Love. This is a stack of pancakes. Every Sunday we have pancakes. We've been eating these amazing pancakes from Trader Joe's. They're like protein packed pancakes, so the calorie count is lower, and no, they don't taste as good as regular pancakes, but they're pretty good. And maple syrup is one of the few sort of sugar things that is okay to have, so it's easier for your body to digest. Okay, so Thursday is kind of my digital detox day. Not that I'm getting away from digital stuff, but I'm actually running towards it. I have so many untouched emails in my inbox and I need to fix it. And yeah. Okay, so now I'm just going ahead and marking the cardio that I want to do. It's an arms and cardio day. I have to figure out how to pay this health insurance bill. And then I was also going to follow up with the North Carolina Board of SLPs on the status of my license. But I really kind of want to do that today, actually, on Wednesday, just because I'm feeling anxious, so I might just do that today instead. So for Friday, I want to do something kind of fun and set up my 2020 life planner, 2021 life planner, excuse me, which has been waiting in the wings for me to use. I also have to do laundry, practice driving, and it's also the last day for my cat's meds, so I just wanted to mark that in. And then, yeah. So then on Saturday, my priorities are really just taking out the trash, and then on Sunday I had contact Daisy. Daisy is our pet sitter, and we're going on vacation in a few weeks, so we wanted to lock down her availability, make sure she's ready for us. If not, we're going to have to find other accommodations for our cat while we're away. But yeah, I think this is looking good. I put in some Fox and Pip people. So it's supposed to represent Frank and I, and I'm going to write a quote over that. These fancy things came with the overlays, so I'm just putting them in. And then I have these little sort of flag covers, and I ended up using them. I just made it a detail. I sort of ignored the fact that it was a flag and just added it where I thought was appropriate. So here we go. This looks like the entire thing is all laid out. It looks really cohesive. I'm proud of the way it came together. I'm going ahead now and just researching quotes from Van Gogh that I want to put in there. So the first quote I put in says, "Great things are done by a series of small things brought together," which is good for planning, but also good for relationships. I think that's very true. So I put that in, drew a little heart over it. And then the next quote at the bottom, full box on Wednesday, it's going to say, "I seek, I pursue, my heart is in it," which I think is also very apt. I'm really looking forward to this Van Gogh exhibit. It's going to be a full date night thing, so I will update everyone on how it went, but thanks for watching.